Plastic pollution crisis. Oceans are dying. Here is how you can help. Welcome to Mahr Edu Pro. Today's topic is alarming yet essential: plastic pollution. Every minute, the equivalent of a garbage truck of plastic enters our oceans. We'll explore how plastic is destroying marine life, how Asia is both a victim and contributor, and how you can be part of the solution. Brain, what is plastic pollution? Narrator: plastic pollution refers to the accumulation of plastic objects and particles in the environment, harming wildlife, nature, and human health. Bar graph: shocking global facts and figures. Over 400 million tons of plastic are produced globally each year. Only 9% of plastic is recycled. At least 11 million tons of plastic end up in the ocean annually. By 2050, there may be more plastic than fish, by weight, in the oceans if current trends continue. Microplastics have been found in drinking water, air, and even human blood. Plastic pollution in Asia. Narrator: Asia is ground zero for both plastic consumption and pollution. 5 of the top 10 plastic polluting countries are in Asia, including China, Indonesia, the Philippines, Vietnam, and Thailand. In South Asia, plastic waste often clogs rivers, like the Indus and Ganges. Lack of waste management systems worsens the crisis. Fishing industries and marine biodiversity are suffering major losses. Turtle impact on marine life. Plastic kills. 1 million seabirds and 100,000 marine animals die each year from plastic ingestion or entanglement. Turtles mistake plastic bags for jellyfish. Whales have washed up with over 80 kilograms of plastic in their stomachs. Test tube microplastics, the invisible threat. Plastic breaks into tiny particles called microplastics. These particles enter the food chain, eventually reaching humans. Studies show microplastics may damage organs, cause inflammation, and disrupt hormones. What can be done? Global and local solutions. Global actions. The UN is drafting a legally binding global plastic treaty, expected 2025. Countries are banning single-use plastics. Seedling Asian initiatives. India and Pakistan have banned plastic bags in some cities. Indonesia launched plastic bank programs. China implemented a plastic ban in major cities. What you can do: start small, act local, carry a reusable bag, bottle, and cutlery. Avoid plastic wrapped products. Say no to straws and styrofoam. Participate in local cleanup drives. Educate others. Share this video. Loudspeaker call to action. If you care about our oceans and future generations, thumbs up, like this video. Bell, subscribe to Mahr Edu Pro. Speech balloon, comment your country's biggest plastic problem. Let's talk solutions.